delivered.
What? He did the dumping. Whoa! This is the day.
Yeah, you recorded?
Yep.
Sa.
It was. This is the day.
Lorenzo's so excited to see a dump truck.
If you want, just kind of give me a signal. I'll start jumping. You tell me when to go ahead.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, watch out.
I want to see the pebble. Oh. That looks like my son. Wow.
What is he doing?
Just got to get it towards the back of the truck first. Now he's going to open the door.
Why are they wet?
They were in a big pile. All right, so now we got to spread this stuff all out.
With what?
The wheelbarrow and the shovel. All right, get the wheelbarrow, get the shovels,
Why are these wet?
because they're in a big pile at the wherever they picked them up at.
Wow.
So yeah, so welcome to the video, everybody. I ordered 4 ton of gravel to kind of redo this driveway here because, as you can see, it's. But I should have ordered like 10 ton. I wasn't sure. I thought that this should spread out nicely, but I'm gonna have to order more for sure.
Where is he going?
He's leaving now. His job is done.
That's all he had to do?
Yeah, he just has to dump it.
I thought you were going to ask if he could drive over it.
Jeez, Lorenzo, come on. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to order more for the. I'm gonna spread some of this out and see what I can do, but here, hold this. Take a breather.
Yep. That's right.
Huh? Let's fill it up.
Bye. Wait, you want to keep recording? Sure. Okay.
Already?
Yeah. Hello. Woo!
Dump that one. It's not you, Luke. No, you're gonna knock it over.
You do.
Are we going to spread them out back there?
Just put it. Keep doing what I was doing.
I wanted to do that.
All right. What we want to do is we want to use this pile here. Look. Fill it up, and we want to spread it around the walkway here. Okay. So keep doing what you're doing. Here, Lorenzo, grab that rake and start smoothing that out. Pull it this way.
Yeah.
Towards me. Careful, buddy, careful. Pull it hard. But yeah, so I put some rocks over here for now. And I'm putting them along the side of the house in the walkway area. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to have everything over here done, and then everything down here done. But I ordered 4 ton,
Yeah, so
thinking that it was going to be enough, and I am way wrong. I need like 15 ton more.
Dad, we need 6 trucks.
I need like total of 20 tons to do this the right way, to have a nice
No,
thick
Dad, we need like
1.5 to 2-inch
Dad.
layer of rock. Yes, son, yes.
Like we need 6 trucks.
Yeah, seriously, because I want to have all the rocks nice and neat under there,
And we're gonna need some more
and
here.
up against the house, kind of make a little walkway here, because the rocks that are here, as you can see, they're
all in the ground.
yeah, there's, you know,
They're
pretty worn out.
Scrape them.
I know.
Look. Yo, viewers, look. You can't even scrape them.
Yeah, I know.
There's literally
okay.
just claws.
We're gonna go ahead and spread the rest of these 2 little piles out along the walkway area here for now. A lot of gnats out here today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we're on a 5-minute break. Working hard, huh?
Yeah.
Working hard, babe? Yeah. All right.
Alright.
How about you? You being a pain in the butt?
No. Trying to get this tire.
Push it out. Anyway, so yeah, so like I said, I'm really mad at myself right now. I did not order enough rocks. What I wanted to do is I wanted to have a nice like 1.5 to 2-inch layer of rocks all the way up to here. Kind of like this. 1.5 to 2-inch thick. Like this. But the whole thing. And I'm only going to get half the driveway, not even half the driveway done. But you live, you learn. So being a homeowner is all about. Right, boys?
Yeah.
But yeah, I got
You
this,
know from that movie
what movie?
where the guy goes, working hard or hardly working?
Yeah, which one are you doing?
Hard.
Oh, okay. But this is the furniture we got for the deck. This is the fire pit thing that we got. And that's the hammock that we got for the lovely wife. She's loving it. She's always wanted a hammock. Now that we have a house, she can have a hammock. Oh, man.
Viewers.
Anyway, we'll be back.
Wait, viewers.
This is going to look so half-assed.
Well,
Viewers. When at the end of the video, subscribe and like and subscribe.
Okay. All right, we'll be back.
A few moments later.
Pretty cool, huh?
We still got some more. She's still quantity.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, so it's a couple days later. and we got ourselves a lot more rocks to finish the job. So, you ready to help me spread this stuff out?
Uh-huh. It does up.
Yeah, so, yeah. We should be able to knock it out now. This is a total of, let's see, 8, 9, 14 tons of rocks.
What does it look
That
like?
pile right there gets spread out over there. We'll fluff this out a little bit. Fluff that out a little bit, or we'll be good. So let's get to work, shall we?
Make sure you
Shall we?
Yes, and make sure you subscribe
Shall
and
we?
like and hit the
Got
button.
my little promotion guy right here.
The bell.
The bell, yes. Okay, let's get to work. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. We're about 95% done now. Got to smooth it out a little bit. When I pull my truck in here later, it'll pack it down a lot. How we doing, Luke? This is Lucas's first real heavy-duty yard work, technically. Yeah, start pulling right from this area right here. But yeah, the yard's looking pretty good. The grass is green. Got the furniture on the deck all up there. Fire pit and stuff. My wife has got a vegetable garden going. Oh yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh yeah. Good job, good job, good job. All right, we'll check back in with you in a minute.